FPOS Group would like to supply you with another tool to help you train your staff. Future POS has the ability to look up an item's recipe right from the POS screen. One of the struggles with hiring new employees is often they do not know the menu. Future POS's free recipe maintenance, amongst other things, helps with the process of teaching your employees the menu. For this example, CJ, a newer server, was asked by a customer not to put onions in their chef's salad. Instead of fumbling through a menu, she can simply press on the recipe help button and look up what comes in a chef's salad. As you can see, onions do not come in this chef's salad. Now she can sell the item right from the screen instead of trying to find the button, cutting down time in between orders. Your staff no longer needs to take the time to tell the kitchen to not put onions on the salad when it doesn't even come with onions. This saves even more time and limits the confusion in the kitchen, creating a more efficient restaurant. For this next example, Dwayne, a new bartender, does not know how to make a screwdriver. He can simply go to the recipe guide and look up the recipe for the screwdriver. This does two things. First of all, instead of your staff getting on their phone to search for the recipe or sorting through a drink guide, they can easily find the recipe from their terminal. Secondly, this helps with the consistency of your product, as every employee now has little excuse for not knowing how to produce your drinks. Another great feature is you can print the recipe right from the screen to your receipt printer in case it needs to be shared. With Future POS's free recipe maintenance, you can cut down on training time by having your recipes appear right on your screens. With the ability to order directly from the recipe screen, this will reduce the time between orders as well. Because of this, Future POS will help you cut down on your training cost as well as create a better overall experience for your customers. This is another way FPOS Group and Future POS save you time and help put money back in your pocket.